So what does it look like? Is the light okay?
Yeah, it's good. It's recording.
Yeah, that's fine. Hello ditsala, my name is Bonnie Gamona. Welcome back to my channel. As I said, I'm coming back consistent. I'm coming back with quality. I'm coming back with all that you guys have been waiting for. Today I am hosting a sip or spill with my girls.
Hey.
This is Melo. This is Lay.
Hi.
So I've asked my Instagram followers to give us some questions, sip or spill, as you know. If we are comfortable enough to answer the questions, because some of them are a bit risque, we will answer them. If not, we will ching ching.
Take a young sippity sip.
Okay, so I have with me another one of my girlfriends behind the lens. Her name is Khontle. Khontle, you'll hear her voice asking the questions. We haven't seen all the questions because we wanted to give you that authentic experience. So let's go.
Take it away.
So, the first question. Have you ever hooked up with someone on your travels and never seen them again?
Look at me, Maya.
No. Something so soft.
Oh, honey, it gets worse.
I will answer. I have not. It depends on hook up me. Anyway, I have not.
What is hope? I have. Should I tell the story?
You can.
You can if you want, because I would love to hear it.
You know, guys, and I was young. Anyway, I went to I went to Lesotho to go visit my best friend at the time. Then we went to the club. There was some white guy. He was feeling
type.
Yeah, listen. Some white guy was feeling the girl.
And then you said, what it do?
And then I said, what it do?
What's up?
And we sneaked out. I think we had even sneaked out, bruh. And yeah.
Ma'am?
No, I do not think. Like, what is hooking up? Like going all the way.
I think in this context, yes.
Yeah.
All the way. Oh no, I haven't.
You've been halfway.
I mean, I've met. Actually, like, I'm such a prude. I've never.
Okay.
If it, like, it's mostly like numbers and then that's it. Not even a kiss, guys. My next travels, I need to do.
She needs to know.
Question number 2. Bumugele. Litsakai mo mahatseng a Africa.
Wow.
And you already know who asked this question.
Photos by Dawn. What's okay? Photos by Dawn.
Like it's Botswana. I'm a citizen of Africa.
Okay.
When right.
Motswana, bruh.
Yeah, no, at least it's not
So, third question, ladies. What's the naughtiest thing you've done in the wild?
Not for me, it's just drinking, to be honest.
Why are you actually lying to your followers?
The wildest thing in the wild.
Your subscribers.
Lila.
That's how you know it goes lying.
What do you mean? Like, if you're in a bush lodge, that's a wild.
That's a wild.
Yeah.
You are in a wild.
I thought you meant in the open.
Actually, yeah. No, it's the wild. The wild.
The wild.
Yeah, the bush.
I don't think it's a really wild thing to do what you need to do as an adult.
Like what? I'm trying to think. Okay, what about you, Lay, actually? The wild.
I've been with a man in the wild. I mean, we've traveled there. I don't know what was being done.
You don't know. It was that good, huh? That you don't remember. You don't remember. Hey!
And you, ma'am?
Me.
I guess she's gonna sip.
So, next question. Have you closed your eyes and swiped an insane amount for traveling? And if so, How much?
No, I haven't.
I generally do it with my eyes open because I've been broke before. I didn't die, so I just swipe one.
What does, like, as in like an amount, like even your air ticket or whatever? No, I regret. I regret some of the tickets that I paid
But
for,
what-
because I'm just like,
But what was the amount that you
that I swiped. Like the last time I went to China, I spent 12,000 on my ticket. I shouldn't have done that.
Yeah, man, because
Why?
my mom has paid 5,000
Because I booked late.
Yeah.
Hey, I booked super late.
So our fantastic narrator of our questions had to quickly dash out. We will add her in the next Q&A because we don't even know what she's dashing out for.
Girl, where you going? Where you at?
Those answers. So Letsema will read out the questions. We haven't seen them before. So
It's sexy.
What is your favorite sex position while on vacation?
What? Okay, well, if you're doing it in a plane,
what?
it's gonna be standing up from the back. You get me? What? Or, yeah, or, you know, cause you in the bathroom. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Or, you know, it doesn't have to necessarily just be from the back. It could be, you know, he just places you on the sink. In the cloud.
Which is my channel.
Oh my God.
You must start beeping.
Okay,
What-
let me let me answer.
I'm not even taking a sip. I'm taking a gulp.
These guys know. Can you just let loose and tell the subscribers what they wanna?
Ditsala, do you want to know?
Have you ever had sex? Remember, beep, bunny, on the beach?
No, I have
No, I
not.
haven't.
No, I haven't.
I'm just thinking about the sand.
Now, the only one I've
but
had
like-
is the trick.
Ching ching.
If you could hook up with any guy from any country, which country would you choose?
Ooh, Ghana.
This one you didn't even hesitate. You didn't even think. You've been new.
Ghana.
You've been new.
I think I'm more of an Italy girl.
What about that dark-skinned olive?
Olive bone.
You want the
Olive bone.
olive?
In these novels, they say he was a dark-skinned.
What do they call it? Tall, dark, and handsome.
Handsome.
How
Because I have to think tall, guys. Because like I'm tall and
Africa.
Africa, West Africa, baby.
no, but like you know, like you think Nigerian men are tall, and then you meet Nigerian
They
men.
have
and
good
No,
PR.
the majority of
They
them
have
are
good
tall.
PR.
They just have good PR.
No,
Like,
but
the majority of them,
guys-
like we can Google it from here. Like they are short.
Okay, so what was that?
Okay.
Personally, I give them a
Is a no.
It's a no for me. Like if it has to be, okay. So I've decided if it can't be tall, at least it's going to be beautiful. So I'll go with South Korea because I know that our baby will come out looking.
Why did I not even think about Asians, bro?
Because when I let me
I can say
No,
no.
first of all, I got a man, baby.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next question. Would you get a tattoo of a country on your body? If so, which country?
I personally would not, but if I did, I'd have to get Botswana for obvious reasons.
I wouldn't.
Personally, I don't like how permanent tattoos are.
Exactly.
So it's
So
a
you
no
just
for
need to
me.
pierce.
Get that piercing ya mepa Botswana.
Flaha.
Maybe that, but anything permanent, I'm not about that. That's why I'm not married. But you can't return it. Which man turn you on the most? I'm guessing like from which country?
Like from which country?
I think this is kind of like similar to the other question.
Yeah, it is.
But honestly, it's very difficult for me because
You just like
I have
water.
mine. I have my time. I can say I want my lokoi because I get mo ke tsoga mo thaba re batla go ja serobe phakela, guys. What about food?
This big just
Granola.
She wants granola. She don't want the syrup.
guys.
The syrup.
This hand just dragged the entire government enclave. The entire.
Like she's dragging
the whole
me,
public
bro.
sector.
No, but like,
She
she
said,
said, but
let's
like
fight.
every day.
Every day.
No.
Well, luckily I'm not an
I
indulger.
just need a gorgeous, generous, God-fearing, and fearing me. You need to be more afraid of me. That's my criteria.
Who turns you on?
What turns me on? Shubatung, Madi, Machankura, Lebota,
Okay. Shmoney.
Shmone.
What you
Cash
saying?
dollar.
Cash
Dwala.
Dwala.
Like
Cash
you can
Dwala.
be from
Pula,
anywhere. It's a
South African ront.
No, it's too big.
And
maybe like a.
it's like somebody.
Cause why are these girls dragging?
Maybe maybe a pound.
Sterling.
A great British. And this is I told you at the time.
Pound.
I like me a great British.
PG. As for me, what? So men, look, just not men from here. I'm gonna get dragged. Me, I like a foreign. That foreign. As long as you're foreign. Okay, that's it. As long as you're foreign. As long as you're dark. So muscles, please. Yeah, I don't want no.
We're back.
Could you live in another country for the rest of your life?
100%.
Always. Like any
Day.
Time.
Get me out of here.
Right now,
Save
please.
me. I'm blinking.
Help.
Better blink for help.
Help me. Get me out of here. I could go, bruh.
Do you prefer summer vacations or winter vacations?
Summer.
Okay, when it comes to winter, I think for now in this season, I think winter only because I want to go to Lesotho.
Oh, the skiing.
Guys,
Yeah.
let's go to Lesotho though.
Let's do that.
Yeah.
Let's.
Next question.
Do you prefer traveling by car or by plane?
Plane.
Flights, darling. I like road trips if it's a shortish distance, like a 3-4 hours, especially if I get to be umfazi, where I just get to put my feet up, relax. But with these people,
You're
I was gonna
indoor.
say like unfortunately,
I'm
indoor.
always the man.
Yeah.
And now your back is sore because you're just driving. No, guys, I don't
Imagine.
get the flight.
Now I'm tall, but now I decided I'm going to have small feet.
So you can't drive.
What? I get after size 6. But
Guys, and I'm a size like 2.
so now I know where the young girls. Thank you
Just
very
a no
much.
from me. Yeah.
Have you ever gotten lost when traveling?
Have we gone what?
Lost.
All the time. Like personally, directions are not my thing.
Yeah, this
At
can't,
all.
she can't get to Morawaraya Hamoan.
She needs directions to go to the mall in her hood.
She would get lost.
So yeah, she'll get. No, I've never gotten lost.
I've gotten lost, and it was in like a non-English speaking country. So that was hell.
But bona ke luckily I
And
want
I'm quite similar with us.
Dog.
So that was the worst experience of my life. Have you ever hitchhiked? And I'm going to add, would you ever hitchhike if?
I wouldn't mind hitchhiking, especially when we're doing that East African, West African vibe. I wouldn't mind, but the problem is, as a woman, things are very unsafe. So men in life are really just changing our personality and our preferences. It's not that hakebati, but I can't.
Yeah.
So I have not.
I have not, and I won't.
Yeah, it's Havaban. Which country would you never visit?
Cuba.
What? That's on my That's on my list.
Oh, did I want to say where's Colombia?
It's
Is
in,
that a country?
It's in
for,
South
like,
America.
What are
Is that a country?
How do the trucks?
Negative what's out I did sure.
Just there's a place where like it has like the highest rape. What? I think it's Colombia,
It's not Brazil.
but it's definitely in South America.
Yeah.
No, but I know that the highest
But
is
also we
India
go to South Africa.
and Botswana and South
South
Africa.
Hey, Botswana and South Africa are definitely on that list.
Yeah.
Okay, jokes. I don't know, guys.
I think for me, it's about principle more than the actual place. So countries that are homophobic, sexist, like if you have criminalized same-sex relationships and people are not free to be who they are, or our countries that are very super like conservative, I don't think I'd enjoy.
Yeah. No, I
So that's like
definitely-
Middle East type vibes.
No, but even like I've
Like, even
been to
Africa, even in Africa, hella
Tanzania in itself, a lot of African states are not open to the
Uganda.
But is
and
it just?
all of
But
that.
is it just that, or like other aspects as well? Like as long as like
No,
you
like
are
if
not-
you infringe on human rights, I'm not giving you my money.
hell
No.
no.
I'm very proud of you. I was so like I've done a country where only once I booked because I started looking at the location, whatever, and I was so oblivious, and it's so embarrassing to be oblivious to this, but I was so oblivious to the human rights issues that are going on in that particular country. That December trip.
Yeah, I remember it.
And once I booked it, that's when I started checking, and I was like,
See?
okay, my money's already gone. Let me go and observe and figure out what we can do to make things better. And things have gotten worse. So
Sure. Like
yeah,
worse.
but personally, my country would be Ethiopia. I had the worst experience in Ethiopia. It was a layover, and twice. You like when you fly Ethiopian Airways, lovely airline, whatever. But we'd lay over in Ethiopia, and you literally are so sexualized. I literally had someone fighting at my door
What?
to open my door.
What?
Masiho.
What?
I was so uncomfortable. I know for sure. I don't know how many people I need to go with, but that one is really on the worst experiences I've ever had. You're grabbed at and touched.
I don't even know like why, because you'd think in Southern Africa, because I went to Zambia the time I was in Kasane, and I was so sexualized, and I was wearing like, of course it was tight fitting, but like it went like it was a dress, and it went up to like my knees.
Yeah.
You know, and I just didn't feel safe.
But that's so
I
weird
did
because I
not
feel like
feel
all the Zambian men I've met are so like,
Did you meet them here?
yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
Like they're so like caring and like overprotective. Not even just like literally over, like not
Because
overprotective
they
in a,
like you.
no, not okay.
No, I'm not talking specifics.
Like
Yeah.
maybe
But
like even if it's
once
platonic.
men like you, they protect you because they are protecting you from what? Men like them.
Because they know. I get that, but why have I never experienced
No,
that
but
with
I went-
Botswana
and-
men? Like Botswana men won't make okay, not everybody, I'm generalizing here, but like they won't make sure are you and your friends okay? As my sister, as my friend, are you and your friends okay? Are you guys safe? Are you guys, but I feel like with Zambian men, it's always just kind of like, okay, Leshapo and
Okay, maybe you had a great experience with them, but like
but I haven't
and the
been
thing
to
is,
the country
yeah,
yet,
like,
so.
and it was just like from the moment we got to the border. I get it's Kasane, and then you go with, now you can go with by road, but like then you had to go with the ferry, and then immediately I got to the border. If like I was and I was like, have you never seen ass? Like have you never seen calves? Like the hips, I mean, like why are they so offensive? And like I remember I said no to this man's advances, and then he was like, why would you then show your body if you don't want us to say anything to you, what blah blah. And the entitlement, and I'm talking about just by the border. And then we went to Livingston, same experience. We went to the market, same experience. We went to Victoria Falls, same experience. And I was just like, maybe in that particular region, because obviously like it's like that particular region, maybe in the capital they are more refined, but like that was my experience.
Yeah,
and
no, and that makes you uncomfortable.
it was not a great experience.
Yeah.
Damn.
How many languages can you speak?
I think we all speak English.
I
Then
think
the other ones, personally for me, Kiwa Swana, I can understand Spedi and Sesotho. I can understand Zulu and Xhosa, but only at a beginner's basic level. And then French as well, just on a basic level. That's me. So 6.
6. Phew, okay. Setswana, English. I feel like I can speak Sesotho as well, because I had my best friend in high school as a Sesotho. That's the wrong. That's the other one.
Yes.
That's Xhosa, babe.
No.
Oh, that is Sesotho. You're right. You're right. She's right. She's right. No, she's right.
I know that they have like means
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
And Dinewa
But
spells
to be-
L-I and not
fair,
with a
Lena,
T.
or like be
So I'm gonna ask Sesotho though, because I feel like
What's the tlhaloganya, but
Yeah,
it's
so
Zulu, yeah.
I mean, obviously not every single. Some words will dribble me. Oh, girl. Some words will dribble me, but yeah. And then obviously, yeah, you have your your
Common understanding of Xhosa.
of Xhosa, but I cannot. I'm not even gonna try with Xhosa. No.
I
But I
understand
can-
Zulu more than I do Xhosa.
Really.
Yeah, because of generations. Thank you.
Sibusiso.
Trauma.
But yeah, I'm just gonna say those 3 Shem.
Yeah.
Um,
So, Rashibuya Skalagai.
Nama, let's cry, sure.
I know my friends are gonna say Nasajana Habashokan.
Like written to Zana, definitely I get a 0 from there, but like speaking it, definitely like I'm very fluent. And then English, hey, colonizers.
We come and we go.
We come in to
Sometimes
go.
you bang the jare.
Here another there.
Orange, what I read. No, ma'am.
This sounds
Do you prefer camping or staying in a hotel?
I will not camp. Well, I'll camp maybe once. We're talking. I need to be in love,
Ooh.
but I won't camp. I will glamp, which is
I was gonna say
going
that.
to luxury camps
I was gonna say
where
that.
you are in the wild. But that thing of I've had too much wine. I need to go pee outside. Then I'm gonna go outside. Then it's
Oh, Bana Simba, I come back. What up? No. I think I was gonna say I'm definitely I can camp, but I can really like camping versus hotel. I would choose hotel.
But hotel doesn't have to be like bougie. Just needs to, like a white sheet.
Yeah.
The bougie bangs, but
But if I'm gonna do camping, definitely glamping.
yeah.
But I will camp still. But if it's a versus, I'll do hotel.
I think if it's like a wild thing, like I enjoy, like if I'd prefer like camping, like I would prefer like if I'm going to go to like a game reserve or like a natural thing. Kind of the problem was that one kids were when
You think you know your friends, but you clearly don't.
Just like I didn't know that you had that thing.
What thing?
Oh, Congolese man.
What
Man,
I've always
answer
said
the
Yeah, so like I would definitely go like it depends. Like I would prefer like if I want to be like within the wild, I'll do like camping. And this is like camping where you have like a bathroom, not like an entire structure, but like even if it's like a canvas like bathroom, like there you can go there, or like, and nowadays like they have like the shower thing for when you go camping. So I'll definitely do that. And that is only in the wild and in like Botswana, because Botswana has like proper wildlife and a great camping experience. Anywhere in the world, I'm not doing any of that. What do you prefer, beach life or city life?
beach life.
But why would I want to see like little building?
There's no
There's
purpose.
nothing cute about
City life is fantastic for when we're talking career advancement and all those kind of stuff. But now we're talking me and a bekin.
Can I choose the bekin and the scenery? Can I do 50-50?
What
No,
are
like
you wearing
if you're
a
going for
bikini
like a
in the city?
vacation.
No, I'm not wearing my bikini in the city. I'm saying.
No, but I think for this one is like if you were
Either
to
or.
choose like a vacation, would you choose like a city like for example, would you choose to go to like your New York or would you choose like a Hawaii?
I'm conflicted, guys. I'm conflicted.
That's already
Let
banned.
me sip.
Mm.
Whoop! I don't know if you guys heard that, but
I hope you did not. Mama Melo, no. Do you prefer active or relaxing holidays?
active.
Then isn't there a difference between a holiday and a vacation?
No, I think holiday and vacation are the same, but I know what distinction they're trying to make.
What
Yeah,
a-
Bore,
A vacation,
Like,
like it's supposed to be you just relaxing and unwinding, right?
eh, but I
And
don't
then-
remember. I don't know what the term is
Mm.
that you're trying to get at. And yes, there should be a difference.
Yeah.
But now I like an active getaway, we'll call it that, and you have to have a minute of just nothing.
Yeah.
Of stillness.
The reason why we have active holidays, because we're still very early on in our careers, is we're not as liquid as we would like. So instead of having the freedom to have a 7-day getaway, we have to pack 7 days of activities into 4.
In 2, 3, 4 days, yeah.
So if it were our preference, you can have, if it was a 7-day getaway, 2 of those 7 days are just.
Chilling, like doing
But
nothing.
because right now the coinage is a bit tight, imagine now I've paid 15,000 to go all the way to New York, and then Melo wants to chill.
Watch TV.
Believe me.
Yeah, can you DSTV?
Ah!
What a cable network.
What a cable.
No, we have
Never.
to keep going.
Yeah.
So yes, once the
Do you know
coin
that
comes
TikTok,
through,
yeah?
you can relax.
Club.
Another
club. Another club. Another club. Flight. Another club. Another
Yes.
club.
TikTok.
yeah. Yeah.
So,
no. Actually, we're
that
gonna.
is
You
it.
guys, we should do a TikTok today.
So like that is it.
Wow. She said one thing about me.
Anyway, thank you
Yeah.
so much. If you've reached the end of this video, I'm so glad to have entertained you enough. Please share, please like, please subscribe. I promise this time I will not kiss
Do you guys trust hair?
Ching ching.
Cling, ching,
What?
ching.
Look me in the eyes.
You don't want that baby.
The bag.
No, can I say?
Sounds like a you problem.
Bye guys. Thank you, ditsala.
Bye, guys.